budeme reagovat na Sprunky Animation. Děkuji tomu kanálu, který to vytvořil. Dávám like a odběr. A vy dajte těž like a odběr. A my si jdeme pustit na videjko. Co bys čekala od normální doktorky?
Do whatever you want to me. Just don't hurt Wyram. Please don't hurt Wyram.
Vrah, škyňa. Vrah doktor.
I didn't want to hurt him at all.
Hlavně prosím nevytáhni srdce, lebo to bude lípe.
Now, there we go.
Tenhle mušíček se tam schovával. Normálně to je jak popeluška, kdyby se tam schovával Pinokio.
It was just a nightmare. Wyram's okay, right? I don't feel him. Wyram? I wasn't dreaming after all. Someone saw Wyram!
No, tak to se máš volá. A ty se ho rozstrachuješ. Tak ty mohl utkusnout srdce. Abo ta tvoje láska skrz brucho. Fuj.
Oh, it hurts. Whoever did this, they wanted me hurt. And I just did my heart. But I have to power through and find him. Who knows what they did to him? Chceš studovat na vysoké škole, ale ještě si ne...
To prčit, reklama čertu.
Mal prihlášku?
No tak si počkáme takový hodinový čas.
Na paneurópské vysoké škole?
No konečně, už máme podekrané.
It's almost dark out. I need to find him soon.
The sunset is beautiful, isn't it? I'm glad we're here together.
Huh? Oh, it's my sister Scarletta. Maybe she can help me track him down.
Máš tvoje sestra, mistrák, ta šialená. Doktorka, která si otřesla toho týpka z brucha docela. Vypadá jak ďábel.
Scarletta! Wyram is...
Hovorím, že soprala toho panáčka.
Wyram! You're okay! What are you doing with my sister? What is going on?
I asked Black to perform a surgery on us.
What? Why did you do that, Wyram?
Because I love her now. I'm sorry, Maruna, but I don't want you anymore.
Sorry, sis. Love makes people do crazy things.
Uši si plačlavú sestru u tebe doma.
Exes.
Takto sa chová manžel, keď ju opustí dievča.
Liar! Heartbreaker! Cheater! I can't believe you would do this to me! Where did I go wrong? Did I do something to change his mind?
Chtěl bych upozornit. Nemůžeš to okno zavřít, lebo oni se na teba môžu kúkať aj z okna, alebo niekto z toho druhého panáku. Potom budeš najdená, potom budeš NIP na hrobku.
What are you looking at?
Já jsem předpovědal budoucnost. Já jsem se ještě na to vůbec nekoukal. Já jsem normálně len tak předpovědal budoucnost.
Jealous much?
Yeah, right! Like I'd be jealous of a boyfriend stealer!
Well, he's not your boyfriend anymore.
Fixin'. Wait, her stitches. Well, now those look much more professional.
A teba to nenapadlo, že ty ta doktorka, ale proč je to ona mohla soprat toho panáčka, normálně to tak z té tvoje sestře?
this? My favorite picture. It's destroyed. Who would have done this? Is it really over for him? Help me. Oh no. It all makes sense now. Myram didn't want to leave me. I knew it. I must have kidnapped us and did the experiment. Yes, it all makes sense.
Vážne si myslíš, že je to Mr. Black, keď malá rohy čertu? Čo si stratuj? Však on má klopouk. A nemá výško. To neišlo vidieť na začiatku. Ale ideme sa vrhnúť na video. V komentári alebo na mojej krupke, jestli nejakú krupku mám a jestli mi fungujú komentáre na tomhle videu, tak pošlem odkaz na celé video bez mojich komentárů a to je v angličtine. No tak my sa ideme vrhnúť na videjko.
That evil man! I'm going to get him and get Myram back!
Čilkaj! Narážka na čilkaje!
You monster! You
Normálne, FBI open out!
get me and Myram back together right now!
Oh, what are you talking about?
On to nemá pusu! Jako môžu rozprávať? A jestli má, tak ja som pápež.
You cut me open! You stole Myram and put him in Scarletta! You just wanted to split us up! Why? Were we too powerful?
Tak sa to má červené oči. Lebo som si nastrala treskným ocem. Omyl. Ja som predpovedal budúcnosť, že ju treskne, ale nepredpovedal som, že ju treskne o stenu. Aha. Streskol ju o stenu, čo som povedala sem.
Let me go, Black! You're a monster!
How dare you? You're the one who came into my lair and started accusing me of nonsense.
Aha.
I have no clue what you're even talking about. Yes, your love disgusted me, and I regret ever stitching you together into some kind of sappy romantic Frankenstein, but I would never put in the effort to tear you apart.
Aha. Nevidíš, že má normálne zafašované brucho? Normálne. A tá holka... What the hell is that?
What? Did Myram pay you off then?
Look, I didn't operate on you or him or anyone. I couldn't even if I wanted to. See?
Zas reklama! Dáme takovou náhlednou pesničku, než ta reklama skončí. Začínáme sa 3, 2, 1, teď.
I didn't operate on you or him or anyone. I couldn't even if I wanted to. See? Someone's...
Aha, tak sa to, tam máš odplaky. Niekto ti to soprá, asi si to má 100 titulů, normálne tam je natlačené, tak sa to si tam upjavili tie odlaky. Ideme si pustiť na video.
All my surgical tools. No scalpel, no suture, no experiments.
Well, then who would tear us apart?
I don't know. Whoever it was clearly wasn't good at it, though. Look at those stitches. I'm offended you thought that was my handiwork.
Only my stitches are messed up. Hers are perfect.
Well, clearly whoever did it cared more about her than you. Now get out of my lap!
Normálne jak vymeno z galaxie, keby ho zhodil, len normálne. Normálne ten Mr. Black jej dal predflex. Si normálne preflexy, že ju vyhodil normálne z jeho bytu Mr. Blackovi. No, o môj Bože.
So it wasn't Black. And he was my only possible lead. No one else would be willing to perform that surgery. Why did this happen? Who did this to us?
Asi sa deje to, že tá čertina, alebo kto to je, ty normálne soprá manžela z brucha.
Didn't want to leave me. Why didn't he just tell me?
Seriously, Myram? After all I did for us?
Huh?
Normálne v truchu. Neviem, kto to hovorí sa pasličky, ale ideme sa pustiť.
Eating? Is it too good to be true?
I'm sorry, honey. I'll do better.
Topis normálne, topis!
Well, I dropped something. I should probably give it back to him. Lettuce.
Tomu to hovorí vážne vtipné, haha.
Check the drawer. What drawer? One inside Scarletta's house? What the heck is this?
Asi sa deje to, že ty som pravý barák, lebo vyzerá úplne identicky. Však všetky baráky vyzerajú úplne identicky.
These pictures. This is creepy. It's from my house. How could Wyram do this?
To si už prišla na to?
Maruna, what are you doing here?
Oh, shoot. I was just coming over to apologize.
Apologize for what?
For whatever I did wrong that made you stop loving me. About time you come to your senses. Wyram is with me now.
Toho špakeťáka, alebo čo to je? Si každá holka späť opustí ako nejaké špakety, ktoré sa pohybujú.
You're right. If you guys want to be together, well,
To je isté ako kočka, ktorá chodí v potách. Teda... Čo?
I love Wyram and you enough to let him go. Really? Well, no apologies necessary then. Why don't you stay for dinner? I'll set the table, I guess. What is this? These are black surgical tools. Wait. It can't be. It was Scarletta all along?
Malo ti to prísť skôr.
Maruna, run!
Tehle normálne pitké pisa ani Batman, ani Superman spolu nerovnali. Netorovnali, som chcela povedať.
I'm not running! And I'm not leaving without you, Wyram! But why did you lie? Well, I guess the sprunky's out of the bag. Might as well spill the beans.
Horor!
Runa and Wyram, it's time for you to split.
Aha, to takto bola ona. Čertu, tak sám to vyzerá ako čert, lebo je čert.
Are you? Maruna! Welcome home.
No, I don't want this! Maruna!
Quiet! If you ever tell Maruna the truth, I'll kill her. But then you had to go snooping around. I'll say, it took you long enough to figure it out.
Hovoril som, že bude pitka, z ktorého sa nevyrovná ani Batman, ani Superman dokopy.
You pest! You can't stop our love! Wyram belongs to me now!
Treskaň 8! To je super! To je super normálne. Jak poznám sprúky, toto bude asi druhá fáze. Well.
He'll never love you!
O môj bože, to je srdce jak z pohádky. A ešte ty šepra normálne.
Maruna, grab me and pull!
Všechno dobre dopadlo, dobro, zvíťazil.
She dead? Maruna,
Game over normálne. Game over jak ve hre.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be. You did what you did to protect me.
A kto ty zas to srdca, ty šepra zas opraví, no?
You were just acting out of love.
It's true. And love makes people do crazy things, doesn't it?
Clearly.
Toto už je konec, byste chceli dalšie videa, tak dajte tu 60 lajků.